We present Gaussian splashing, a unified framework that cohesively manages rendering, view synthesis, and versatile motion synthesis. Gaussian splashing enhances vanilla 3D Gaussian splatting and enables various metaverse applications. By systematically incorporating a collection of state-of-the-art technologies, Gaussian splashing ensures the quality of both simulation and rendering with 3D GS. Gaussian splashing takes input as multi-view images to reconstruct the scene and further animate the scene with position-based dynamics. The pipeline is carefully designed and re-engineered to handle dynamic appearance in the presence of fluids and deformed solids. A soft chair toppled into the pool, resulting in its deformation and creating ripples across the water. A coastal cliff rises from the sandy beach, while the sea waves continuously crash against the rocky surface, generating splashes and foam upon collision. A large amount of water leaks into the garden and submerges the table. As the water level goes up, the surface gets more vibrant and washes the potted plant away. The waves crash against a Lego bulldozer, the fierce waves bouncing the bulldozer and causing the water to splash in all directions. Pouring water into the paper cup on the table and transforming the cup and a dog toy into water. The water spills out. A swift current of water crashes against a stack of books, sending splashes everywhere and creating a beautiful display of shapes. Three stacked books turn into a pool and a Lego bulldozer is dropped into it. Water flows from a hanging headset. The water forms droplets due to surface tension as it falls, sliding down the screen and splashing onto the desk, creating a puddle. Droplets of water fall on the surface of a soda can, coalesce due to surface tension, and gradually overflow. An astronaut in the space struck by the black magic of the trisolarans, and get transformed into a water sphere. A deformable ficus is waving at you. Due to the external force applied to it, the plant undergoes continuous deformation. A collection of rigid Lego bulldozer rigid bodies fall into a round glass box. They cast shadow on the ground and eventually stack and scatter throughout the box. Please see our paper for more details. Thank you.